Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our mock test question part 1 for cybersecurity and privacy. In this video, we will give you question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So let's start our question number first. Which of the following is a passive cyber attack? So these are the options: mass queue reading, traffic analysis, data modification, denial of service. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, traffic analysis. Now let's go to our question number 2. What does the confidentiality principle of CIA tried ensure? So these are the options. Data is available during failures. Data is accessed only by authorized or users. Data is always encrypted. Data cannot be shared across networks. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Data is accessed only by authorized users. Now let's go to our question number 3. Phishing attacks are mainly carried out using, so these are the options: physical intrusion, email, hardware trojans, firmware corruption. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Email. Now let's go to our question number 4. Which among the following is not considered personally identifiable information? So these are the options: date of birth, passport number, favorite movie, phone number. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Favorite movie. Now let's go to our question number 5. A DOS attack aims to affect which part of the CIA trade? So these are the options: confidentiality, integrity, availability, authenticity. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Availability. Now let's go to our question number 6. In symmetric encryption, the sender and receiver, so these are the options: use different private keys, use the same secret key, exchange public hash values, never share any key. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Use the same secret key. Now let's go to our question number 7. Which of the following best describes spoofing? So these are the options: disabling services, obtaining unauthorized access, pretending to be someone else, cracking password hashes. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Pretending to be someone else. Now let's go to our question number 8. Which law in India governs electronic records and cyber crimes? So these are the options: IPC 503, IT Act 2000, GDPR, HIPAA. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. IT Act 2000. Now let's go to our question number 9. A vulnerability becomes an exploit when. So these are the options: it is documented, it has a known patch, it is actively misused, it is publicly disclosed. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. It is actively misused. Now let's go to our question number 10. HTTPS secures communication primarily using. So these are the options: hashing only, steganography, TLS/SSL, MAC addresses. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. TLS/SSL. Now let's go to our question number 11. Which of these is not a malware? So these are the options: rootkit, firewall, worm, trojan. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Firewall. Now let's go to our question number 12. What is the main function of a firewall? So these are the options: encrypt data, filter traffic, crack passwords, host web pages. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Filter traffic. Now let's go to our question number 13. A digital signature ensures, so these are the options: confidentiality only, authentication and integrity, availability, packet fragmentation. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Authentication and integrity. Now let's go to our question number 14. Which attack involves resending captured credentials? So these are the options: replay attack, SQL injection, salami slicing, buffer overflow. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Reply attack. Now let's go to our question number 15. Black hat hackers are known for, so these are the options: ethical testing, system maintenance, malicious exploitation, policy compliance. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Malicious exploitation. Now let's go to our question number 16. Which of the following protects data at rest? So these are the options: TLS, VPN, disk encryption, firewall rules. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Disk encryption. Now let's go to our question number 17. Which privacy principle ensures data is collected only for a stated purpose? So these are the options: minimization, expansion, duplication, profiling. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Minimization. Now let's go to our question number 18. A honeypot is used to, so these are the options: attract attackers, randomize encryption keys, clean malware, delete attack logs. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Attract attackers. Now let's go to our question number 19. Which one is an example of biometric authentication? So these are the options: OTP, password, fingerprint, security question. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Fingerprint. Now let's go to our question number 20. Social engineering relies mainly on exploiting. So these are the options: software bugs, human psychology, network protocols, disk fragmentation. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Human psychology. Now let's go to our question number 21. Which of the following best describes ransomware? So these are the options: software that logs keystrokes, malware that encrypts files and demands payment, script that deletes browser history, adware that displays pop-ups. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Malware that encrypts files and demands payment. Now let's go to our question number 22. Which attack exploits input fields on website to execute malicious commands? So these are the options: man in the middle, XSS, cross-site scripting, replay attack, brute force. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. XSS, cross-site scripting. Now let's go to our question number 23. GDPR is a privacy regulation enforced by, so these are the options: USA, India, European Union, United Nations. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Union. Now let's go to our question number 24. Which of these techniques is used for ensuring data integrity? So these are the options: hashing, compression, fragmentation, obfuscation. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Hashing. Now let's go to our question number 25. A VPN mainly helps in providing. So these are the options: high speed downloads, secure communication, antivirus protection, captcha verification. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, secure communication. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1 for cyber security and privacy. Now we will meet in our part 2 of cyber security and privacy. So thank you friends for watching our video.